Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Pratibha Mule. I am student from Score NTT Center. Today I am teaching you 5 senses. Remember 5 finger, 5 senses. Okay, so let's try first. First is the eye. Eye help to see the various things. Okay. Now second is the nose. Nose help us to smell the various smell, that is pleasant or that is unpleasant. Okay, pleasant smell like a fragrance or unpleasant smell like a garbage smell. Next one is hand.
Go.
So next one is a hand. Hand help us to feel and to touch. Okay, we can touch the things from hand, that is a soft, hard, cool and warm. Okay, so I can put here. Now next one is a taste. Taste, we can feel taste from our tongue. Sweet, sour or spicy. Okay. Then next one is a ear. Ear help us to hear the various sound, loud, soft or very loud sound like a DJ. Okay, so I can put here. Now we have 5 pins. Pins have a drawing or pins have a very small picture. This picture you have to put on these boards. Okay, now this is a watch. From eyes we can watch and we recognize the time. So I can put the pin on eye. Now next one is a cheese. Cheese is smell. Smell we can feel from nose. So I can put this pin on nose. Then next one is a sandwich. So we can taste the sandwich from tongue. Okay, so I can put here. Now next one is a block. We play the block from our hand. So I put this pin on hand. Next one is a telephone. We can hear telephone ring from our ear. So I can put this on ear. Okay? You all understand?
Yes.
Thank you.